welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing February's Try Beauty box. Let's just quickly jump in because I don't want this video to be long. The theme for this month in Try Beauty is In Love With Me. We had the option this month to pick between the Beauty Blender, which is this one, Electric Violet, or the Bum Bum Cream by Sol de Janeiro. It's actually a body lotion. I didn't mind which one I was gonna get, but I did the poll and I personally voted for the Beauty Blender because you are always constantly needing a Beauty Blender. There's nothing that you guys don't know that I need to say about a Beauty Blender. I mean, we all know it's the perfect makeup sponge. It leaves you with a flawless finish foundation, and it's very bounceable and it's very soft. And well, I prefer a makeup sponge over foundation brushes just because it does leave a cleaner and airbrushed finish look. I mean, I have tried brushes that do not leave streaks on your face. I just always seem to go back to a Beauty Blender. This little guy retails for $20. The next item is a beautiful palette. Guys, look at this. This is the Shades of Roses palette by Viveya Cosmetics. This is a beautiful eyeshadow palette. It has a beautiful cover which actually slides out, and as you can see, it has the same packaging as the cover. The detail on the glossy parts of the roses is so beautiful. I love it. And when you open this beautiful palette, you have the little plastic there, but you also have a mirror, and it's so gorgeous because they incorporated the same roses you have at the front of the palette around the mirror, and it's so freaking beautiful. I love it. I'm dying over this palette, guys. Now, I thought that this palette wasn't gonna be super pigmented. Like, I thought it was just gonna be like, oh, okay, the shimmery shadows, the glittery shadows are gonna be pigmented, but the matte ones are not gonna be pigmented. And I was so wrong again. And I was wrong to think that about this palette because holy crap, it is pigmented. I was so wrong. I am wearing this palette on my entire eyes, guys, and I love this makeup look. I can't get enough. I love it. Now, I know people are gonna say that it's too much makeup, you should use less makeup. Listen. I don't always wear this kind of makeup, and I have to push myself to be creative, and I'm so happy that I did. I love how this makeup turned out. It's very rare that I do a cut crease, and even more rare that I do double cut crease, so. All right, now, let's talk about these beautiful eyeshadows because I am impressed. This palette is gorgeous. All the freaking shimmery eyeshadows are beautiful. We have one that stands out again. It's called Mi Amor. It has like big chunks of glitter. It's pure glitter, and it's just, it feels like a jelly texture. It goes on so beautifully on the eyes. I decided to put it on the inner corner. I was torn between putting it on the center of my eye right here where both of the color meet together, but I wanted to show the blend there and just decided to add Mi Amor on the corner of the eyes and just kind of like spread it towards the inner part of the eyelid, and it just looks so beautiful. I did use an eyeshadow base underneath because obviously I had to cut the crease, but I did use an eyeshadow base in my entire eyelid at first. But when swatching these eyeshadows, I did not use an eyeshadow base, and they're still hella pigmented. I love them so much. I'm super impressed with this palette. I love the packaging, love the colors in here. You can definitely achieve a daily look using this palette. When it comes to this kind of palette, like, look at it. It's super colorful. I don't want to hold myself back and not be creative. Like, I saw this palette and this is what came to my mind. The other thing I'm impressed about this palette is that this palette values at $12. Yeah, you heard right, $12. I'm speechless. All right, moving on. The next item is by the brand Inmo Cosmetics by Magnolia. I don't know this brand either. This is my first time hearing about it. So these are the highlighters by Inmo Cosmetics, and we are getting two, and they're basically liquid eyeshadows. Everybody's getting two of them. I got the color Blessed, Never Stressed, and the blue one is called influence.com. I didn't use influence.com in this whole makeup tutorial because I wanted to stick to this eye look. I'll definitely want to use this in another tutorial and show you guys a makeup look you can achieve using this blue eyeshadow. As for Blessed Never Stressed, I wanted to use it to cut the crease and I totally forgot because I was like so in the moment. So if it works as an eyeshadow, it has to work as a highlighter, and it actually does. I used it as a highlighter and it looks so pretty and natural. So what I did is, instead of applying it directly on my cheekbones, I decided to add it a little bit on the back of my hand and pat my beauty blender, since I already had powder, so that it can actually blend out without creating a bad mixture with your powder. Because sometimes if your beauty blender is too wet, or if you're using a brush, it's just gonna create chaos. My tip to you guys when using a liquid highlighter over powders is always put it on the back of your hand. Use a slightly damped beauty blender, tap the beauty blender on the highlighter, and then just bounce it on your cheekbone, and you'll be able to have a beautiful looking finish highlighter. I freaking love it, and I definitely can't wait to use these guys as eyeshadows. Perfect for a quick daily look. This one's good if you want a pop of color, if you want to use it as eyeliner, or like a super fast smoky blue eye color. These little guys retail for $19 each, not both. Each are $19. Next, we have a skincare product. This is by You and Oil, another brand I have not heard of. This is an oil and it has Acai, Fig, Marula, Antioxidants complex. It's a nice big bottle. It has 30 milliliters of product inside. This ultra strength antioxidant serum addresses all aspects of skin aging: firmness, tone, texture, and hydration. It provides immediate and long-lasting hydration, promotes the production of collagen, and improves skin elasticity for a more youthful, radiant skin. It is cruelty-free and vegan. It's free from parabens, artificial colors, SLS, SLES, DEA, and mineral oils, and it has the dropper. I love oils, and I did like the oil. Definitely hydrated my face so it doesn't look cakey, and I love it. I can't wait to see how it improves the firmness of my skin, the texture, the tone. It does say to use 3 to 4 drops. I only use 2. I try not to use so many oils. I use them more when I know my skin is super dry. The only thing that I don't like is the smell on this oil. I don't know, I'm not a big fan of the scent. I do definitely like how it feels on your skin. This little guy retails for $42. And the last item in the box is by Luxie. Guys, I got another Luxie brush. I'm so happy. My Luxie collection is growing. I love all of my Luxie brushes. It never disappoints. This one, it didn't disappoint. It's just me. I didn't use it the right way. It's a little bit stiffer than other brushes because it's meant for liquid or cream contour products. And me, who didn't read it, I used it for regular contouring powder. It was a little bit hard to blend it out, but I still made it work. I will definitely use this brush for cream contouring or liquid contouring. I honestly don't have liquid contouring. I think I have cream contour. My bad. Forgot to mention, this is the Luxie 588 angle contour brush. I saw that it was angled and it was a contour brush, and I was like, I'm just gonna use the powder. I have nothing bad to say about Luxie brushes. If you have not tried Luxie brushes, make sure you do. And that is everything that we got in the box. My favorite item this month has got to be, hands down, the palette, Shades of Roses. I fell in love with it so hard. I love it so much. Let me know in the comments down below, what's your favorite item? This month we got 6 items in total, and the total value of the box was $130. But if you're subscribed to Try Beauty, or you decide to subscribe to Try Beauty, you can get this entire box that I just showed you for $34.99. Plus, if you use my code YesMe, you get a 10% off of your first box. I will leave the link down below if you want to subscribe to Try Beauty. Again, don't miss out because there's a lot of great products in every box. And remember, it is a bi-monthly subscription, so you skip 1 month. Alright guys, so just keep on watching to see the makeup tutorial using this month's box. Don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!